Hiya, Renee Jones here. On October the 8th, 2012, I reached my goal weight. On October the 8th, 2023, I was actually 2 pounds under that goal weight. And every day in between, I've been within the normal fluctuations of my goal. It's my Trimaversary, and I am so grateful. Now, many will tell you that only 20% of those who try to lose weight succeed well enough to maintain that goal weight. Most regain it within 3 to 5 years, as I did for decades. If a celebrity is suddenly thin, we want to know what he or she did. Some will tell you, and some just don't want to create a firestorm or get nailed when it doesn't work for someone else. So they say something really general and not particularly helpful. I will tell you exactly what I did. Are you ready? I chose the diet I knew, and I gutted it out through the months it took to reach my goal, just as I had many times before. Exciting and glamorous, isn't it? It worked, but I was always tired, hungry, and cranky. And that's not really success, is it? And probably fueled my yo-yo. To maintain that over these 11 years, I did 3 things. First, while I did lose my weight on a painful diet, maintaining it was painful until I found what actually worked for my body. We're all different, and it's important to find what works for your body so you aren't tired, hungry, and cranky all the time. Second, I worked with my coach long past reaching my goal weight. The fat on my body wasn't the only excess weight I was carrying. Unpacking the emotional baggage helped heal my heart, which meant the wounds weren't driving me to food for comfort or stress relief. It's definitely not an instant fix, but it was so worth it. You know, it saves a lot of calories when you're not eating for emotional reasons. Third, she called me to my best self. Now, we all have flaws, and we tolerate them because they work for us in some way, even as they keep our wounds fresh. We live in those, sometimes because we don't realize they can be healed. We can choose something different and be released from them. Note, that's kind of an ongoing process, isn't it? We have lots of habits and inclinations in our lives, but as long as we keep growing, it's good. And that's it. That's the formula. And it's not easy. But 11 years of a consistent weight and clothing size, it's so worth it. I am very proud of this achievement because it shows that I figured it out, and every day I help others figure it out for themselves. If you want to share in that, I have options for you, whether that's working with me one-to-one, in groups, in reading my material or my book, or engaging with my weekly blog and social media posts. I also have a masterclass coming in December if you'd like to join me. I'll put the details in the notes, but you'll have to register so you can get all the information. If you don't want to wait, get on my calendar. Weight loss success and healing your heart from all that stuff, it's available to you. So send me an email to renee@packyourownbag.com, or you can book a time with me at bookme.name/meetingtime. You can get where you want to go. All the best.